So, what? To talk about season 1? Sure thing. I mean, I had a fun time in season 1. I met new friends, met new people. It was just so fun. Yeah, I agree. Even though I got voted out early last season, it was still a lot of fun. Hey guys, iPad wants to make an announcement. What do you want now, iPad? Well, guys, I just want to make an announcement. There's gonna be a second season of the translations. Yep, that's right. So, only eight out of 10 of you will be competing this season. So, I'm just randomized who would join last month. So, yeah, the people joining season 2 are Exercise, Picture Frame, Stormcloud, Purple Block, Soda Can, Strawberry Cup, and Crayon. That's all of them. Yes, I got a chance to prove myself. Oh no, I'm not competing this season, me neither. Don't worry guys, I'll win it for you. This is the portal to where the rejected characters go. Or eliminated players, or whatever you want to call them. You'll be sent, both Pill Pepper and Party Hat will be sent there and never be seen ever again. Ever. Oh yeah, by the way. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I forgot. I got a friend to pick them up. Okay, now it's time for newbies. The newbies are oh wait. I forgot him. He's phone, my co-host. Wait, how did Stormcloud get off jail? Well, simple. Remember, I found a penny on the floor a while ago, and I needed Stormcloud for season 2, as I used it to bail him out. I'm just glad I'm finally out of jail after almost a month. Anyways, let's meet the newbies. Really? Those are the best newbies you could find? Hey, this took me over a month to find these guys. At least be grateful. Anyways, the prize is this notebook. Visit any notebook. It's a 1,000-page magical notebook. It can give you anything you want, just as long as you draw what you want on it. And ignore that song. Anyways, 18 contestants. And one magic notebook. This is about for notebook.
Admit you were toxic. You poisoned me just for another dollar in your pocket.
Okay, the first challenge is a classic challenge from season 1. A paintball challenge. Yep, the last two standing get fit the team. 3, 2, 1, and go. Yum, this burger is yummy. Say, what's this do? Wow. Just wow. Burgers are already 2 seconds. You're going down, you stupid fiery ripoff. No, you'll lose, you idiot. And shut your hole about winning. You shut your daily commercial. Look at you. You flaming sway fat and pizza. That's one hell of a roast. What actually happened? On second thought, I'm scared excited now. There are problems solved. Hey, no one has bites up by get away with it. Oh man, I don't want to hurt people, and it creates more pain in the world. You know what, screw it. Wow, someone shooting themselves because they don't want to fight? How pathetic. I mean, you are gonna be pathetic. What, I hate you. You,
How about new, you crazy Dutch bastard?
later. Man, I feel bad for her. Guys, have any of you guys seen that white girl thingy? Oh, you mean Susie? Yeah, she got her leg cracked and she's in the hospital. Free triple kill. Oh, triple kill.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Oh, okay, no, we're not doing that MLG thing stuff again. Yeah, guys, let's party it out. Oh my god, he's so loud. The whole second was actually bring you. It's too loud. Alright, I have enough of this fucking. I'm gonna put stop down once and for all. Let's party it out, bros. Yeah. Finally, that fucking hole is gone. Okay, guys, listen, just spam it the right direction. Wait a minute, that wasn't me who shot him. Then who shot? Well, that's the end for viewers. Cup and Picture Frame both won the challenge, so they get to pick the team's next episode. So, stay tuned for our next episode of Battle for a Notebook. Also, sorry if this was kinda short. Oh, wait, I forgot about the music. Wow, I'm so stupid. Hold on a second.